Hello, it's John Burford with Tramline Traders, and today I'm covering Tesla and doing an Elliott Wave analysis and tramline analysis as well on this very important share. Now, I'll start at the beginning. This is the weekly chart. This is when most investors were pretty much unaware of the potential for the shares. This is the first major rally, which is my wave 1 here. This is a very severe correction in wave 2. It doesn't look like it, but it certainly was. This is my long and strong, wave 3. This is my ABC, wave 4. And this is my final flourish in the accelerating exponential surge up to the final wave 5. That took it just above the $400 mark. So that's my wave 1, a very large one. But since then, the market has descended in a very choppy fashion. This has been a nightmare to figure out. In fact, I didn't even try until the market descended very sharply in this phase here to early this year. And from that point, the market rallied quite substantially. But look at the form of the rally. It's in an A, B, C. A, B, C to the C. That's the final flourish here just a few weeks ago. Now, I'm calling that my wave A, and this is my wave B. And if you notice, the market pushed above the upper tram line. Now, the tram lines I drew from this point, the first thing I did was draw from that point there to that point there. That was in early January. So once that market started turning, I could use that as a major low. So there's my lower tram line. This is my prior pivot point. And from that point, I need to draw a parallel line. So I went up to this point here, the all-time high. That line set itself. And in fact, it moved through that high, and here we have a breakout. It's not a false breakout yet, but the breakout is normally a bullish signal. So many people, I'm sure, were loading up on shares as it broke above this line here. But notice it came sharply down. There is a weekly key reversal candle right there. And a few weeks ago, a week or two ago, the market moved sharply below the tram line. Now that is a false breakout. It went up, back down, and it didn't like the altitude up here. Ran out of oxygen. And so now it's coming back down. So we're in a wave C down, and that should last for weeks, if not months. Now here's the close-up. This is the daily chart. This is my A wave, low. This is my ABC for wave B. That's lovely, isn't it? A, B, C, that's textbook. And the final C wave up here. Now take a look at this little pattern here. This little pattern is a 5-wave pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a classic ending diagonal pattern on a momentum divergence. That is a key giveaway that the shares were reversing big time. So all profits needed to be taken. So with the market proving that was a false breakout by moving down here, it's moved down here last week to break this minor support here. And it looks to me like it's in a third wave, 1, 2, 3, heading towards this low here. So that is my forecast for Tesla. And of course, this will bring many EV shares, many of whom have actually descended more than 90% anyway. Tesla will be the last of the high flyers in the EV space. So if you like more analysis like this, then go to my website, tramlinetraders.com. Thanks for listening. I hope you liked this video, and I invite you to sign up to receive my weekly blogs and also to check out my 3 trading services, all with free trials available. For VIP Traders Club members, I issue specific trades with price targets and coverage of stock indexes, forex, T-bonds, and commodities. The new Phoenix Traders Club trades is aimed at smaller accounts. Again, I issue specific trades. And my Pro Shares service covers individual UK and US shares. Remember, I offer free trials to all 3 services. Just go to www.tramlinetraders.com.